everyone, this is Charity Charnelle. Today I have a grocery haul from Sprouts and Aldi, as well as a clean with me. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So here you'll see me getting a blue apple and placing it in the refrigerator. And Lord, why do I look the way I look? I am just wide. But you know, hey, if you don't like something about yourself, fix it. You have the ability to change it. So this container here, I'm an Amazon Prime member, and you know, I make it do what it do. So I was opening this storage container, which I wanted to store my fruit, my produce, to help it last longer. So that is what I am doing here, preparing to put my strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, in these storage containers, as you saw at the beginning of this video. Earlier in the video, you saw me place a blue apple in the bottom of the refrigerator. This little blue apple is to help keep your produce and your vegetables fresher. So normally, you know, when you go to the grocery store, maybe you buy some produce, you buy Sunday, Tuesday is bad. So this blue apple is supposed to help your produce last longer. Of course, I got it from Amazon. It comes with 2 apples and 2 fresh packs. And you are also able to buy the fresh packs on Amazon. So next you'll see a variety of different fruits and veggies that I bought for the house. I'm trying to transition my life into a more clean lifestyle, moving more towards the pescatarian lifestyle. So these are some items that I purchased from Aldi as well as Sprouts, because I'm frugal. Teacher life, okay? Just certain things I cannot do, and I can't go run it up in Whole Foods the way I would like to, because my budget says you really need to be over here at Aldi, really at the Dollar Tree. But these are some items that I bought. So here I'm showing you a couple of things I got from Sprouts, because Sprouts is everything. Kombucha. This was a new flavor, lime coconut. Sprouts had pressed juices, 6 for $28. So of course I got 6. This time when I went, they didn't have the best flavors, but I did end up getting 3 of the vanilla almond, as well as 3 of the, cranberry, elderberry juices. And my son ended up drinking the vanilla and date and almond. He thought it was milk, so that worked out fine, because I absolutely did not like it. Here you seeing me gobble down, okay? See, some pasta from Sprouts, smoked mozzarella, and I have to pick up my immunity boosters, Suya, which are essential, considering that I am always around other people, being a teacher. Now, I didn't go into detail or show you all everything I got, but this portion of the video is like the clean with me portion. And as I'm watching this video, I have to get my life together, okay? I was small, then I got big, then I got big, then I got big. At one point, do you hold yourself accountable? But reasons why I'm on this healthy journey, switching my diet, you know, just to be more aware of what I put in my body. Here I'm putting up some things from the dishwasher, because who washes dishes anymore? Only when I'm upset, I will wash the dish, okay? Scrub it. So this is me putting things in the cabinet. I recently moved and still trying to get settled in my new spot and get things how I like it. So that is what I am doing here. I'm pretty sure for the rest of the video, Currently, I am rinsing and scrubbing dishes before they go into the dishwasher. Here, Dawn is live. You can use Dawn in the kitchen, in the laundry room. If you know, you know, basically. So this isn't as exciting, but I know some of my favorite YouTubers do this. And they just do it, and that is what I'm doing. I'm doing it looking like this, okay? So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to the very end. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.